All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ford Mustang. It is the GT Premium Package with 25,000 miles. This beautiful red burgundy color with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, heated seats, navigation, cooling seats, alloy wheels, fog lights, super nice. Best of all, minimum damage on the body. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread here is over 9/32. Front door looks good. Quarter looks pretty good. Thought I just saw a dent somewhere here. Am I crazy? Yeah, here it is. A dent right there, about 2 inches. No paint off. Right there. You see it? My fingers right on it. No paint work. Here's your rear driver's side rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this. And your tire thread is over 7/32. You got your power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. It's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Likewise in your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. We jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. You guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Does come with the 2 key fob combos and a valet key. Also, got your turn on the lights. Got your obviously your navigation system right there. You got your audio. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got your AC controls right down below. You got heated and cooling seats. Super nice. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 25,798. Looks good. Let's keep it moving. Open up the trunk. Button here. Turn on the lights. Fog lights. All right. Coming around your rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Your deck lid looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and then tuck away your owner's manuals there, and you get your front license plate bracket. Quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing there, and your tire thread is at 8/32. This quarter, a little chippy there. That's got a heavy scratch here, less than about an inch. All right. Here's your rear passenger seat, and what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Those have the coverings here for your roof. This fender looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing. Very minimum right there, just about an inch. Your tire thread over at 9/32. Lights are working. Fog lights are working. Fog lights are working, and everything looks good, folks. Once again, this is a 2017 Ford Mustang GT model with 25,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you. Happy bidding.